I'm over here at the meetup over the SEMPO meetup in the Microsoft building, and we're going to talk about.
Obviously SEMPO is a membership-based organization, and in New York we're very open about people who aren't members coming to the meetings. So to underwrite something that is fun, we'll have to do some creative thinking and/or maybe have an entry door fee. I mean, how many people would still come to something fun if you had to pay like $10?
Definitely.
$20.
20 bucks.
Maybe I hit 30. Yes, in the back.
30 is.
You're paying for all of us. Okay, great. Okay, so we'll think about that for August. Let's hear. Anything else that we wanted to ask or?
Yeah, I think we're ready to jump into it.
Okay, Max.
Actually, as Max said, this is tech meetup style, so if you don't like it, you got to heckle it, right? I'm Mike Levin. This is Adam Edwards, and this is the Hittail application. It works a lot like analytics software, but it's not analytics software. The live demo I'm about to give you is something that anyone in the audience can actually do. And you just go and you hit the login link, and you can log in as the company Connors Communications, who is the creators of the Hittail application. And right off the bat, you can see the user interface, which is real search hits. So whereas most analytics software is going to distill and analyze statistically the activity going on your site, if a search hit happens here, you'll see it scroll. Some of the more popular sites like TechCrunch and Guy Kawasaki's site, you see it scroll in real time. Now that's just the beginning, and that alone is quite addictive and keeps a lot of people using the product. But the real excitement is in how it extracts out your keywords in real time, also as it goes. And you can reproduce any of the search hits by clicking any of this, but I'll forego that because of the time limit, and get right to the suggestions tab, because unlike analytics software that just has you analyzing your site, trying to infer meaning, Hittail explicitly tells you what topics you can add to your website that will increase your natural search traffic. This is where Hittail was born, the natural search traffic. We've also adapted the product, as Adam will tell you, to the world of paid search and SEM. So if you want to write about any of these, you just click it and it moves it over into your to-do list. List of topics that you plan to write about. And it used to be that you had to pick these up and put them into your content management system or your blogging software and create a new post. We have since added new features to automate either the creation of new content in your site or the automatic flow of the keywords into your paid campaign. And with that, I'll hand it over to Adam.
Hi there. So I'm going to log out of the demo account so we can show you it actually working. So you'll see the same interface that Mike just showed you. This is Hittail data here. So when you search through the keywords tab, you can actually import these into AdWords. So you'll see a very familiar interface on the right, and you can basically just click keywords here to the right here. And you can set your max CPC, and you just fill in an ad campaign. So you just save. And we've already added those. So you want to add some others.
So I don't really know about campaigns and keywords and
This is
all
about
this kind of
clickable.com.
analytics, but I do like a dashboard which really tells me that I have some simple trends here that I can look at, see my key metrics, my conversions, my revenues by different date ranges. I can look down the right here. And then I actually have a whole series of recommendations that's generated for me every day. I don't have to work on Excel. I don't have to log into different places. It's all right here, and something's happening. It's all right here for me, and I can simply log in every day and see what's going on with Take Action. That's the simple piece of what we're doing. The profitable piece
piece is the actions actually help me both save money and make money. So that I can actually look at here some recommendations to reduce some bids and some keywords that are actually losing me money. So I accept them all as a bulk action, or I can take a look at them individually. And Clickable is also always helping me to educate me about why it's telling me to do certain things, justifying why I should take certain actions. So it's telling me that this keyword has performed poorly. It's giving me the data as to what it's done in the last 21 days and giving me some new bid estimates. I can always learn more about why this is good best practice. And I can accept this action right here. So in between selling furniture, I can come on my lunch break, grab a sandwich, and do Clickable for about 15 minutes and make sure that I've optimized my campaigns. So the dashboard and the Act tab really help me sort of do my daily grooming of my campaigns. But every now and then I have something else important to do, like I need to launch a new furniture store in the Bronx, or add some air-on chairs for my trendy advertising clients. So I come here to the Manage section. And this is something that really helps me really work on my campaigns, my ad groups, my keywords. Again, I'm sorry about the connectivity. It's taking a little bit to load here. If I log into my Google account, I have a really quick look at what's in my account, all my campaigns, ad groups, ads, keywords, and placements. Again, I have some trends over here. I have a really quick way to work on my campaigns, add new campaigns. Everything is done with these really slick in-place wizards, so I don't really have to navigate around. I can just see what's going on here. Once I load this, and I'm not sure what happens in these 4 or 5 stages of adding a campaign, I have contextual help, so I can see that step 1 is setting up my campaign and my budget. I have audio help, so I have tips on how to actually structure a campaign. Because again, I sell furniture, I don't really deal with search engine marketing, so people are really Clickable's trying to guide me to get through. Every now and then I do want to look at some reports. I kind of prefer to look at things a little bit graphically, even though I can export spreadsheets for some people who really want to know what's going on from more of an analytical point of view. But I like to come in here, just select different date ranges, start here with the whole metrics funnel, compare different reports here, just really cycle through a lot of different graphical reports here that I can see what's really going on in my campaigns. So I have the dashboard and the Act section that help me on my day-to-day basis, really importing my new data and helping me really stay current. Manage is when I really want to do something a little more involved. Analyze for all my reports. I also really need a lot of help. And what's great about Clickable is that there are lots of things to help me. Firstly, there's live help that's always available right here. It's offline right now, but during business hours, there's always someone just a click away. There's an 800 number right here. And then we have a full university that's part of our community, basically just launched last week. So a full product guide out here with all kinds of information on every single piece of the product, best practices. There's a glossary of terms provided by SEMPO, which obviously is the first source of information as to what all these confusing terms mean for me. And this really is how Clickable helps me. It really has made it instant for me to get on. It's made it simple to manage this in my day-to-day life because I'm a small business. I'm not really a search marketer, and it's really making me profitable because I take these recommendations and I can save money and I can make more money. There we go.
That was pretty good. I was at lunch with Clickable about a month ago.